Do you know why? You know English but still can't speak English. It's not because you are weak, it's because you think in Hindi first. Today I will show you how to think in English and speak confidently. By the end of this video, you will know the simple tricks to train your brain to think in English automatically. Many people confuse thinking in English. Thinking in English does not mean you have to create big, perfect sentences in your head. It also does not mean you need perfect grammar or thousands of words. Thinking in English simply means your brain starts forming English sentences directly without translating from Hindi. For example, instead of thinking मुझे पानी पीना है then translating like I want to drink water, your brain just says I want water. Simple, direct, no panic. This is the first step to fluency. Most English learners do this. Think in Hindi, then translate, then speak, then get stuck, then feel fear, and at last stop speaking. For example, मुझे घर जाना है. How people will translate this Hindi sentence to English in their brain. I want go home. Like this. See, it's slow, confusing, and kills your confidence. Fluency is not about knowing grammar, it's about thinking fast in English. So, how does it look like in real life? Instead of translating, your brain just says, I want water, I'm tired, I need help. Fluency comes from simple thinking, not long or fancy words. For example, I'm hungry, I'm going to office, I need tea. You can start small and expand slowly. Now, let's see some methods to train our brain to think in English. Method 1. Learn sentence patterns. Stop learning individual words. Learn ready made patterns. Patterns to repeat. I want something, I need something, I'm feeling emotion. For example, I want tea, I need help, I'm feeling tired. Repeat this daily. Your brain will automatically use them in real life. Method 2. Replace, don't translate. Never translate full Hindi sentences. English already has ready sentences. For example, मुझे भूख लगी है. Don't try to translate like this. I'm feeling hunger. Say, I am hungry. This is faster and sounds natural. You don't have to memorize grammar. Just use ready sentences. Method 3. 2-minute inner talk. Spend 2 minutes daily talking to yourself in English. Silently. No one will hear you, so no fear. For example, I'm brushing my teeth, I'm opening the door, I'm waiting for the bus. This is simple habit that trains your brain to think in English automatically. Big myth. Many learners think they need perfect grammar, big vocabulary, English environment. The truth is, you just need simple sentences, daily practice, confidence. That's all. Remember, fluency is not English knowledge. Fluency is English habit. If you want to speak English confidently, start practicing these three methods today. Follow me for daily English speaking tips. Comment yes if you will start thinking in English from today.